Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out this simple exercise inside Fusion 360. The dimensions are given in inches, so I will take in millimeters by just removing the decimal point. So let's start it. Fusion 360, create sketch, choose a proper plane and draw a corner rectangle. Dimension it. This is 500 and this side is 250. I will finish the sketch. The extrusion is 250. Click on extrude and define 250. Right. Again, for this cutout, I will choose this top plane, sketch on it, and I will draw a rectangle like this. I will dimension them from this line till this line. This is 75, and this length, if you want to define them, you need to look at this. We have 500 minus 325. 500 minus 325, and I will say okay. I will finish the sketch, extrude it, select the region, drop it down, and make sure here is selected. Okay, we have done with this. Next, we need to create this cutout. For that, I will choose this plane, sketch, and draw a rectangle like this. And here I will dimension it from this point till this. This is 75, and if you look at this dimension, so this is 250. Right, just 250 minus 75 and say okay. Okay, choose the region and create this cutout. See, now it's fine. We have to create a chamfer, but before that I will create a circle and draw a circle like this. Dimension it. The diameter is 75 and this is 75. From here till here, this is 125, which is good, and from here and all the dimensions are correct. I will just finish the sketch, but here one thing, add another dimension, which is, this is 125, and from here till here this is 75. Okay, and create this cutout. Okay, now it's fine. For this smaller cutout, you can just do one thing, to select this plane, sketch on it, and here I will just draw a line like this. And now I will dimension them. Look at the dimension. From the bottom till this point. This is given, which is 150, and again from that line till here, this is given, which is 150. Now sketch is fully defined. Cut out, choose this section and drag it up to here and say OK. See, go to appearance and choose metal, and this time I will choose aluminum, this color. Good. Or you can just change it. See, this is fine. So now we have done. Thank you. Just subscribe to the channel.